C and sol sounding scale. C, I want you to keep C round for the lower half of the scale, and I want you to open up and get more horizontal for the top half of the scale. Have a listen to me. C, keep it round. C, C. Start to open up a little bit now. Open up a little. C. Mouth starting to open. C. You start to smile. Keep your mouth in one universal mouth placement. C. Big smile now, Landon. Smile on these last couple. C. Last one. Nice big smile. We're done. This is the sol vowel. I want you to keep your mouth open for the lower half of the scale, oval for the top half. Just keep it relaxed here. Sol. Let's keep it going, relaxed. Sol. Sol. This is also done in a triad pattern. This pattern's really important pattern for harmonies. This is your standard harmony if you listen to it. So that's your standard first, third, and fifth. They're the best sounding harmonies that you can do. The Beatles made those famous. Let's keep going. Sol, sol. Keep it oval, more oval now. Sol, keep it oval. Sol, drop it right down, keep it oval. Sol, two more, oval, one more. So now I want you to sing after you finish doing that scale, sing I know, because we've just done the art and the sol there. So that's a smile and an oval, okay? It's I know, it's only rock and roll, but I like it. Okay, so I just want you to sing that Rolling Stone song. And then once we've got that, we can have a Jagger off.